In Workshop 4, we discussed the use of accounting fundamentals to help maintain the financial well-being of your small enterprise. When running your business, it's important to know where your business stands financially. This can be demonstrated by drafting an income statement which displays your revenues, expenses, and profitability over time. Generally, your revenue is generated from normal business operations. It mainly comes from selling your business's product or service. Expenses, on the other hand, can be divided into two categories. COGS, which is short for costs of goods sold, is the cost associated with producing your product or service. Examples include the cost of raw materials, shipping costs, factory labor expenses, etc. SG&As, short for selling, general, and administrative expenses, are costs focused on day-to-day operations. These include expenses like advertising, rent, and utilities. By using the equation revenue minus bracket COGS plus SG&As bracket is equal to profits, you'll be able to recognize the impact of your expenses so you can make smarter decisions that will allow your business to maximize profits. When mentioning costs, it is also worth noting that they can be either variable or fixed. Variable costs change in proportion to how much a company produces or sells. The more you produce, the higher your costs will be. Examples include raw materials, delivery costs, and commissions. Fixed costs, on the other hand, are constant no matter how much you produce. Examples would include equipment, wages, and insurance. Understanding the difference between fixed and variable costs is important when trying to understand your business's contribution margin. A contribution margin is your selling price per unit minus the variable cost per unit. A high contribution margin indicates higher profitability, whereas a low one indicates low profit. Lastly, to calculate your break-even point, divide your fixed cost by your contribution margin. A break-even analysis is used to determine how many units your business will need to sell to be profitable. Below that quantity, your business will be operating at a loss, and beyond that quantity, your business will be operationally profitable. Understanding how to create a break-even analysis is crucial, as your team will be expected to produce one to demonstrate your financial understanding of your business. In the meantime, that's a quick summary of the fundamentals of accounting. See you next time.